When installing busway that will be connected to switchgear, you will use a busway flange connection. Begin by unpacking the flange connection, checking for damage, and removing the provided bag of installation hardware. Check the installation drawings provided with your project to make sure the switchgear and flange are properly oriented. After ensuring proper orientation of the switchgear and flange, insert the flange from the outside of the switchgear. Make sure the flange bus mates up properly with the bus on the inside of the switchgear. You may then secure the flange to the switchgear with the supplied hardware.